welcome back guys once again to my YouTube channel Study Abroad Academy. My name is Shakar and you can also follow me on Instagram at studyabroad_academy, where I share information about university facts, accommodation in UK and some other information also that would be really helpful to you before coming to UK. So please make sure you check my Instagram page out. So in today's video, I'm going to show you my apartment tour. So this is the video that every YouTuber, every student is waiting for. And I know you are also very excited, even I am very excited to record this video. So let's begin without any delay. So this is a place where I live. It is divided into 3 different blocks, and you can see this is a courtyard where people can come and sit and chill with their friends. So now you can see the reception area. These are the places where people who are working or are working from home or who are studying, they can come down and sit. Over here is a really good coffee machine that you can see. You can see Tesco in the front, and over there it's a small supermarket where you can buy daily groceries and essentials. This is what you can see when you enter my apartment. There are 4 doors. So on the left, that is toilet. This is storage cupboard. Then over here you can see my bedroom, and next to it is my living room. Okay, this is a coat stand. In winters or in summer, it's very important over here that you have a coat or a big jacket, and this is where I keep all of them. So when it's rainy or if my coat is wet, it dries out over here. It's very important and it's very handy, and you can get it for like 20-25 pounds over here. This is my shoe rack where I keep all my shoes. I like to keep my shoes outside because I don't want it to smell inside in my living room or in my bedroom. And over here you can see intercom. This is used for if someone has come outside, I can open the gate from here. So now let's go to my living room and I'll show you what it is. This is what you see when you enter my living room. So that's my television. This is my place to relax. I've made it nice and clean, and it's a comfortable nice sofa where I can sit, watch telly, and usually I eat also over here. Over there you can see God where I pray, photo frame, and below that there's a bucket where I usually store my snacks. This is my study table where I do my dissertation work. This was usually for dinner, but now I use it for study because I'm having a lot of work to do and I like to sit on chair and table and work. This side, this is very recommended for students because it is nice to sit on it and it is a good storage also. So if you see, I've kept all my books, games, everything in this. It's a nice storage space, and you can get it from Wilko for 18 or 19 pounds. Okay, now moving on, this side is my kitchen. Okay, so over here is my washing machine. Usually you get washing machine in the apartments, but if you are living in a student accommodation, you have a joint washing machine and you have to pay 2 or 3 pounds for every wash. So you need to make sure if you are living in a student accommodation, you carry a cash or however there, or you need to save on washing. Okay, this is the storage cupboard. You can see this is for cleaning. Then this is where I keep honey, my protein and everything. And in this one is plates, glasses, cups, everything. You can find it over here. And this is my favorite cupboard for an Indian, where all my spices and everything is there. You can see, because I like to cook sometimes and I like to have a lot of things, a lot of options when I cook. Okay, so this is the best thing in my apartment, that is dishwasher. Usually student accommodation don't get dishwasher there because in normal student accommodation we have to wash it by hands in the sink, but after 4 or 5 years now finally I'm able to get an apartment in which dishwasher is there, and it comes very handy because you just need to cook and put all the dishes in it and it automatically washes. This is oven. The apartment comes with oven and microwave over there. Okay, so this is my kettle for tea. This is toaster, as you can see. This is bread bin in which I put all my bread and buns and everything. And this is cereals is for the morning, soya milk. Okay, or the entire apartment was furnished. So I bought the cushions for the apartment, but you can see the sofa, TV table, and the coffee table, and this dining table slash study table was given by the apartment, so I didn't bought that. So rest of it was furnished. Now you can see the view from my apartment. You can see this is the courtyard. After courtyard is the main road, and then you can see Albert Dock. It's very nice in the evenings to go for a walk over there, and sometimes when the weather is good, people are sitting down and enjoying their time together. So it's a very nice apartment building, and down there also you can see few apartments and a place for sitting down and for walks. Next room you can see is my bedroom. So now we're going to go in my bedroom and let's see how it is. So this is my bed. TV in bed. I never use it, but it comes handy if I want to, if I'm feeling lazy. This is my laundry bucket to put all my dirty clothes and everything. So I put into this, and you can see side table. You can see my wardrobe, and you can see me in my wardrobe because this is all glass wardrobe, and this is sliding one. So once you slide, you can see all my clothes over here. On the top part, you can see all my jackets and coats and blazers over there, and in the bottom you can see all my shirts over there. I've kept t-shirts, pants, and shorts, and at the bottom I've kept my new shoes and all that. So the bed and everything, side table also came. I just bought bedding, pillows, and duvet by myself, and even the telly was not provided by the apartment. So now I'm going to show out of my bedroom window. It is very similar view to what I showed you in living room, but let's see in case you find something different. So in front you can see Hotel Hilton just in front, and on the right where you see John Lewis, behind that it's all the Liverpool One shopping center where you can have all the shops and everything. So it is a very good location because you have shops nearby and you have docks nearby. So it is in the middle of the Liverpool One, that is the center of the city. Under the bed you can see big storage cupboards I have bought. It is for storing bedding and other clothes and everything. So you can buy it from Wilko's over here for this big cupboards for £4-5. So they're not that expensive. So now let's go to toilet. Nothing too exciting about it, but just thought I'll show you that also. So you can see this is the shower area where I've kept all my shampoos and soap over here, and that's a bath mat, so I keep it when I am stepping out of the shower so I don't slip. Okay, this is wash basin. Okay, so I bought the soap dispenser also for £2-3 because from Wilko, because it just looks better than keeping a plastic bottle. Under that you can see I've bought the storage units for toilets, in which I've kept Band-Aid, Savlon, my hair trimmer, oil, hair serum, brush charger, trimmer charger, different hair brushes and all that. Okay, I would recommend all the South Asian to bring toilet roll with you. I know you're not used to it, but it comes in very handy over here, and if you haven't bought it in your suitcase, it would be very difficult for you if you don't have any Tesco nearby or Asda nearby to go and find it on the first day. Okay, so this is shower. As I've shown you, it's a normal shower head. Okay, nothing too fancy or special, just normal shower head, normal shower room. Now I'm going to show you the storage cupboard. It's really full because of my suitcases, and I've kept an extra mattress also, but you can see how big is the storage cupboard in this. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 big suitcases, 2 small suitcases over here, and I've kept a big mattress also in case someone visits me. So now I know बहुत लोग interested होंगे to know the price of this apartment, how much I pay monthly for this apartment. So now I'm going to tell you every information about it. So I pay for this apartment, £800। आई नो सब सोच रहे होंगे ये तो काफी एक्सपेंसिव है, बट इससे पहले मैं चीप अकोमोडेशन में भी रहा था। जैसे फर्स्ट ईयर में आई लिव्ड इन स्टूडेंट अकोमोडेशन, क्राउन प्लेस इन यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लिवरपूल। सेकंड ईयर में मैं नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट हॉल्स में रहा था। थर्ड ईयर में आई वाज लिविंग इन लंदन बिकॉज ऑफ माई प्लेसमेंट ईयर, एंड उसके बाद भी मैं एक नॉर्मल अपार्टमेंट में रहा था जो इससे सस्ता था पर कंपैरेटिवली थोड़ा महंगा था। सो मैंने सोचा, क्योंकि लास्ट ईयर मेरी ग्रेजुएशन होनी थी, तो मेरे पेरेंट्स ने 15 डेज के लिए आना था। उसके बाद मेरी सिस्टर ने मुझे विजिट करने आना था 15 डेज। तो हमने सोचा कि अगर मैं छोटे अपार्टमेंट में रहता हूँ जहाँ पे वो लोग आके नहीं रह सकते, तो दे हैव टू गेट अ होटल फॉर 15 डेज। और यहाँ पे होटल का जनरली रेट है £100, £110 अ नाइट। सो उस टाइम पे अगर वो 15 डेज के लिए आते तो 1500 मेरे पेरेंट्स को पे करना पड़ता होटल के लिए, और फिर 1500 पाउंड्स मेरी सिस्टर को पे करना पड़ता होटल के लिए अगर वो 2 वीक्स के लिए आती। तो हमने सोचा इंस्टेड ऑफ पुटिंग दैट मनी इन होटल, हम अपार्टमेंट भी लगा देते हैं। तो इसलिए मैंने इस वजह से थोड़ा ज़्यादा अपार्टमेंट लिया, जो हमने £3000 वहाँ से सेव करके हमने £2000 एक्स्ट्रा यहाँ पे लगा दिए। तो इसलिए ये अपार्टमेंट लिया। बट जनरली जो स्टूडेंट्स आ रहे हैं उनको कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है इतना एक्सपेंसिव अपार्टमेंट लेने के लिए। दे कैन get cheap apartments over here in Liverpool. The rate is around, for one bedroom, £600, £500 over here. And now the property prices have gone down because of coronavirus. So now you can get a 2 bedroom apartment also in Liverpool for £800. I was checking last week. Okay, but अगर आप लंदन में जा रहे हो या whereas in Manchester, वहाँ पे थोड़े प्राइस ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव होंगे, because in London a 2 bedroom can cost you between 1500 to 1800 pounds डिपेंडिंग आप कौन से जोन में ले रहे हो। एंड मैनचेस्टर में भी आपका अपार्टमेंट 2 bedroom 1000 से £1200 के बीच में होगा। सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन कम्प्लीटली ऑन यू। इफ यू आर लिविंग इन द मिडल ऑफ सिटी यू हैव टू पे हायर प्राइजेस, बट अगर आप आउटस्कर्ट्स में रहोगे या सबर्ब्स में रहोगे वहाँ पे आपके कंपैरेटिवली अकोमोडेशन प्राइजेस थोड़े कम होंगे। सो होपफुली आपको सब क्लियर हो गया हो अपार्टमेंट के बारे में, क्या कॉस्ट है, आपको किसके साथ रहना है। मैंने भी ये अपार्टमेंट 4-5 साल लिवरपूल में रहने के बाद लिया, क्योंकि मैंने काफ़ी पैसे अपनी इंटर्नशिप से और प्लेसमेंट ईयर से भी सेव कर लिए थे, तो इसलिए मैं अफोर्ड कर पाया हूँ। बट अगर आप पहली बार आ रहे हो तो आप मत लो। आई वुड एडवाइज यू इतना एक्सपेंसिव अपार्टमेंट, आप अपने पेरेंट्स की मनी सेव करने की कोशिश करो। और अगर आपको अपार्टमेंट्स देखने हैं क्या प्राइस है, तो आप 2 वेबसाइट्स मेन है यहाँ पे, आप उन पे जाके चेक कर सकते हो। वन इज zoopla.com एंड वन इज रूम्स फॉर यू। उसमें आप बस अपना एरिया और पोस्ट कोड डालो तो आपको आसपास के अपार्टमेंट दिखा देता है। आई पुट दैट लिंक इन डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑल्सो ऑफ देयर वेबसाइट, so please check them out. So hope you like my apartment tour, hope you like how I've set up my apartment, and if you do, please click on like button. And if you want similar content for what I'm doing to help students, if you're finding it really useful, please click on subscribe button. And if you have any comments or any feedback, please feel free to comment below, and see you soon with a new topic.